we have some news in regards to the One Piece main staff overview for the Elbaf arc. And there are some interesting changes. But the biggest one I'm going to focus on is the sound effects. Hidenori Arai, who was the OG sound effects guy for the One Piece anime for all these 20-something years, he's finally stepping down, according to an article that I read before like a couple months ago. And I think this thing right here is actually making pretty valid. And the new sound effects guy is Ryuta Nakahara. One Piece is getting new sound effects from a different guy. That's crazy and hype at the same time. I think they will still use the old sound effects from before for major stuff, but the new stuff, they'll have new sound effects. So, do you guys like this idea? Do you like it? Or do you guys just want the old sound effects back? Comments down below and let me know.